Friends, in this video of the Facebook ads course, today we are going to learn how we can create an event on the Facebook page, alright? So there are many businesses like this, in which they need to promote their events, or you could say their special functions, and we can also call them webinars. So they have to promote these things so people on Facebook get to know, and people can join their webinars, workshops, or sometimes there are offline events at a physical place. So basically you can create an event for that as well. The process for creating the event, whether it is an online event which we also call ASA webinar, or an offline event which is almost the same. So right now I will explain the online format and will also tell about physical format. Because in online format, if you are hosting an event or workshop, or if it's a webinar, all this can be done. So these things you will learn practically in this video. I'll explain everything step by step and share some tips with you. Because many times we also conduct workshops and webinars. And let me tell you that in many companies these things happen on a very regular basis. And this video is important because now you will learn to create an event, and when we create Facebook campaigns and ads, means when we will teach you how to create the campaigns and ads, then we can run ads on events and we can promote these events, but we'll teach that later in this course. So now let's learn this and let's see that how we will create an event. And friends, as you can see here that on my screen you will be able to see that the Facebook page is open. We've created a page called Marketing Fundas Official so that we can teach you, okay, how to do it well. So we need to create an event on this page, alright? So look, the option is here, but sometimes it's over here. The event option shows up here, and if not, then you can check by clicking on more. Now event option is here. I'll click on events option. So now here I have to create an event. So basically I will click on it. Create event. So basically in this area we put our banner. Means we put the event banners so that the people can get to know what the event is all about, right? And these are some minor details related to it. And as you can see the banner here, that it has taken our Facebook cover page as its own banner. So since we don't have an event, but you'll need one of this style and size, you will have to create a banner, okay? Now it's showing Marketing Fundas official host profile or page. So you can see here now, as you will see, then you can check that every event, workshop and webinar must have a name, okay? Now let's say I'm going to conduct a webinar or an online workshop. So I will write digital marketing with AI skill of 2025. So I have given the name of this event or of this workshop. Now let's move forward. And here you can write a maximum of 100 characters. Any event or any workshop has definitely a start date, alright? Now just let's assume that here we will put a date here, that our event, okay? I mean, this workshop will be held on Sunday. We have selected the date 11. We will select the time, okay? So the date is 11 means we have selected the date as 11th May. And the time when our workshop will start, so it will be at 1 o'clock. Means it will start on 11th at 1 p.m. And suppose if you want to provide an end time, then you can give an end time here. So let's say that the starting time is 1 p.m. So we will then set the end time at 3 o'clock, alright? So here we have set the workshop of 2 hours, alright? Now it's asking here that whether is it in person or virtual. What does in person means? In person means that where it's happening, what's the location, is it a physical location or auditorium? So where is it happening? So if it is in person, like if you are doing some event, or maybe you are doing some trade fair or any such event or any seminar in a particular hotel or maybe somewhere else, then you should keep it as in person. And here you can add your location, your address and other things, okay? Then you have to write the details. But if you are doing an online workshop or webinar, then you have to select virtual here, that we are doing online. Now it has given an option here, will you go live directly from Facebook? So it's the option, if you want to go live from Facebook, you can tick this. And if not, then if you have any external link, right? Like suppose for example, if you want to go live through Zoom or maybe through the Google Meet, right? Then you will have to provide the external event link here. I hope this is clear. So I don't have any link right now. For now, I'll use our dummy website that we have created to teach you. So I will put its link here. Okay. I've just put that dummy link. And now here. What are the details? So basically here, we will have to provide details related to the event, and don't write very long paragraphs. So here, write in 3 or 4 lines related to the event. I mean that why is the event happening and what will be the benefit of event to the people. And while joining the event, you are just providing any benefit, meaning you are giving any discount. Or in this, if you are providing any lunch or dinner to some people or whatever it is. So any such kind of things. I am telling you about offline events if it's offline. If it's online, then you are giving any giveaways. Okay, or maybe if you are giving any coupons. Or what benefit will they get from this workshop? Write all the details here, but use as few lines as possible and try to provide the information in pointers as people read and understand quickly. So in brief, you have to be very point to point as people don't read long paragraphs. Okay, so for now, I'll just write some dummy text. This workshop is regarding digital marketing in AI. I have written as a dummy, but write the full details. Market your event. Now your event must have a category, right? And now we will see the category of my event is that so here I will do the professional networking here as the professionals will join there. Means the companies and the digital marketers will come. Also the individuals will come. So I've done professional networking. Now what's the meaning of co-host? Is this event being hosted only by Marketing Fundas? Or does Marketing Fundas have any sponsors or is someone co-hosting it? So here you can add their page or even you can just search their page. So let's say Media Bhai LLP is a company and Marketing Fundas means both companies are hosting together. So I've searched here. The Facebook page of Media LLP has come. I'll select it and send them an invite. So as soon as they accept, it will show people here that they are a co-host. But I don't need this right now, so let's close it. I've explained this in case if it's like that. Add tickets, like suppose if you are selling the tickets or maybe. If there's a URL, then you can put it here. Otherwise, they can go there and buy it because workshops can also be paid or you can put a payment link here. So you have to see that if you want to take payment or if it is for free, as it totally depends on you. Okay. Repeat event. Will this event repeat again? If there's something like that, but my event is not going to repeat, so I'll select never and close it. Communication settings. This is a new option. It was not before. Like here, we have updated the default settings, meaning it will show the guest list. The guest list is be shown. Only host can post in the event, meaning can anyone else also post in the event that is created or only the host of the event? And if you think anyone can post, then turn it on. If you don't want to show the guest list, then turn this off. Posts must be approved by host. Should posts be approved by the host? Suppose you turn on the option above, then turn this on. Because when people are posting, but first you should approve it, and if you turn this on, then you'll know what content is being posted or anything wrong is being posted. Then here it's written posts and comments detected as. Potential spam will be held for review. If Facebook automatically detects that these comments, these things are false or something wrong is written in them, or if it is abusive, then you should keep this on so that it gets filtered out. Create event. Now as I click on create event, so the next process will begin. Okay, and now friends, as you can see here on the screen, it is saying here that do you want to send invitations to the people? Like I'll send it to Hitesh Gupta, or I will select the people I want to send the invitation. And I don't have many people selected because it's a new account. But people have thousands of connections in Facebook. So you can send it to them. Okay, now that I have sent the invitation, let's move forward. Now as you can see here, I will simply click here and see my event is created. Let's view it. And now you can see on my page's dashboard and look at the feed. As soon as I have posted that here, so it is showing up on my feed here that this event is happening. It's showing 1 minute before that I posted an event. And people will see it. This event is on Sunday. It's digital marketing with AI skill. So as soon as one person will participate and show interest, and when he will tell to others and respond I am going, then others will vote. Now just let's suppose that if you want to boost this event, alright? Then you can click and boost it by paying an amount. But we will teach you the proper way to run an ad later on, when we teach you how to create ads. So here, as soon as this will reach to more and more people and people will start seeing this, so you can also check the insights. By going here, you can see how many views you're getting, what's your reach, how many interactions and clicks you got on your link, reactions, comments, etc. You can see everything. And besides this, all the events you've done or upcoming ones, you can see them by coming in events. And it's showing in upcoming events. Now all of the upcoming events, if people know when they are going to happen, then you can list them here. Even the ons that gets completed, they'll appear in past events. So basically in this way, you can easily create an event. It's very simple, but its benefits are huge. So the public in your network on Facebook and also those on Instagram, they all get to know. Then when you boost it to like-minded people and from there you get an audience, you get the public and the traffic comes to your event. And those who are interested will come. From there you get business and your network gets strong, right? So now I hope that you have learned how to create an event. So now please practice this. So when we create campaigns, you can learn how to run ads on them. Thank you.